students, welcome to our chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss about the relative atomic mass and mole concept. We know what is atom. That is, matter is made up of many minute particles which are known as atoms. We can't see these atoms with our naked eyes. However, each atom has definite atomic mass. Atomic mass means mass of an atom. By modern techniques, we can find out the actual atomic mass of each atom. But it is not used because it is negligible. Negligible means it is a fractional value. Therefore, it is very difficult to use in calculations and other procedures. At that time, we choose the relative atomic mass. Actually, relative atomic mass is not an actual mass, which is just expression of atomic mass of an atom by comparing with the atomic mass of other atom. For comparison, we choose the atom that is carbon 12. We know carbon has 3 isotopes. Carbon having atomic mass 12, that is mass number 12. Then carbon mass number 13, carbon mass number 14. From these isotopes, most abundant isotope of carbon is carbon 12. Therefore, for comparison, we choose the mass of carbon 12. For an example, carbon 12, that is, suppose this is the atomic mass of carbon 12. Atomic mass of carbon 12 is 12. This atomic mass is equally divided into 12 parts. Suppose it is equally divided to 12 parts. Therefore, each part is 1, 1, 1, etc. There is 12 1 units. For relative atomic mass means the expression of atomic mass by comparing with the atomic mass of other atom. For comparison, we choose the 1/12th of carbon 12. That is, here the one part of carbon 12 is just 1/12th of carbon 12. This is the atomic mass chose for this comparison. This is considered as 1 unit. 1 U. That is, for relative atomic mass, we choose the 1/12th of carbon 12. Not total mass of carbon 12, just 1/12th. That is, one part of total mass of carbon 12. Here, 1/12th of carbon 12 is considered as 1 unit. That is, 1 AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. Then, for example, we can find the hydrogen's atomic mass. That is, hydrogen's relative atomic mass. That is, hydrogen's atomic mass when compared to 1/12th of carbon 12. It is equal to 1/12th of carbon 12. That is, one part of carbon 12. Therefore, hydrogen's atomic mass, relative atomic mass is 1 U. That is 1/12th times of carbon 12. Okay. Then another example, oxygen. Oxygen's relative atomic mass means comparing with the 1/12th of carbon 12. It is 16 unit. That is 16 times higher than 1 by 12th of carbon 12. Then nitrogen's atomic mass is 14U. Then carbon's atomic mass is 12U. Like this, we can find the atomic mass of different atoms. Here, this atomic mass is not an actual mass, it is just a relative atomic mass. In this chapter, we choose this atomic mass. Okay? Then, here atomic mass unit is U, that is AMU, unified mass. When this atomic mass is expressed in gram, that is, this U is changed to gram, that is, hydrogen atomic mass is expressed in gram, that is, hydrogen's atomic mass is expressed in gram, that is 1 gram. This is known as 1 gram atomic mass of hydrogen. Then, what is gram atomic mass? Gram atomic mass is atomic mass of an atom is expressed in gram. Therefore, hydrogen's 1 GAM is 1 gram. Then another example, oxygen. Oxygen's 1 GAM is how many grams? Yes, oxygen's 1 GAM is 16 gram. 16 gram is the 1 GAM of which atom? Oxygen atom. That is, GAM means gram atomic mass. That is, atomic mass expressed in gram. Okay? Then, what is the GAM of nitrogen? What is the GAM of nitrogen? Yes, 14 gram. Nitrogen's GAM is 14 gram. Then again, carbon's GAM is 12 gram. Again, GAM means atomic mass expressed in gram. Just replace U by G. That is, hydrogen's GAM is 1 gram, oxygen's GAM is 16 gram, nitrogen's GAM is 14 gram and carbon's GAM is 12 gram. For GAM, the unit of atomic mass becomes gram. Okay? Look this table. This table contains element, atomic mass, 1 GAM, then number of atoms. Here first one, hydrogen, having atomic mass 1. Then its GAM is 1 gram. We already said that is atomic mass expressed in gram, that is 1 gram. This 1 gram hydrogen contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. This number is big or small? Yes, it is very big number because it is 10 raised to 23. That is, any element which is taken in GAM, then that 1 GAM contains how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Another example, helium, atomic mass 4. Then its GAM is 4 gram. Then again it contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. That is, for helium, its 4 gram contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Again, oxygen. What is the atomic mass of oxygen? Yes, 16. Then its GAM is 16 gram. Then number of atoms is again 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Then another example, nitrogen having atomic mass 14. Then its GAM 14 gram. Then again it contains How many atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This is discovered by Avogadro. We already said the Avogadro law. That is, Avogadro, the scientist Avogadro discovered that is, any element, if it is taken in its GAM, that contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. This number is called as Avogadro number. It is written as Na because this is discovered by Avogadro. Therefore, this number is known as Avogadro number. It is written as Na. That is, we said 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is the Avogadro number. This Avogadro number can be expressed by a term or a name, that is 1 mole. Like we know what is meant by 1 pair. Yes, 1 pair means 2 number. What is meant by 1 dozen? Dozen means 12 number. That is 1 dozen bangles means 12 bangles. 1 pair cycles means 2 cycles. Like that, this 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This is, we know, it is a Avogadro number. This is termed or it is expressed by a term or a name, that is 1 mole. Like 1 pair or 1 dozen, like that. That is 1 mole. It means that it is a number which is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. For an example, that is 1 mole cycles. What is meant by that? 1 mole cycles means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 cycles. Okay? Then this name or this term 1 mole is related to our topic. That is, we said that 1 GAM of any element contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Okay? This can be written as 1 mole atoms. 1 mole atoms of that element. Okay? Then another example, hydrogen. What is the GAM of hydrogen? Yes, 1 gram. Then 1 gram contains how many atoms? Yes, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. This can be written as 1 mole atoms of hydrogen. Do you follow me? Okay. Then we can do a problem. Okay. Problem 1. 42 gram nitrogen element is given. Calculate number of GAMs, number of atoms, number of moles of atoms. Given atomic mass of N equal to 14. Okay. When we analyzing this problem, here given factors are the total amount of nitrogen, that is 42 gram, then atomic mass of nitrogen, that is 14. We want to find how many GAMs, how many atoms and how many moles. First of all, we can find the number of GAMs. For finding number of GAMs, we have an equation, that is total amount of sample in gram divided by 1 GAM. Here given sample is nitrogen. Then the amount of nitrogen is 42 gram. This 42 gram is divided by 1 GAM of nitrogen. Here atomic mass is already given, that is 14 gram. Then 1 GAM is 14 gram. that is 42 gram by 14 gram, that is equal to 3 GAMs. That is in nitrogen, that is 42 gram of nitrogen, there is 3 GAMs are present. Okay, do you follow me? Yes. Next is we want to find the total number of atoms in the 42 gram of nitrogen. We already said that each one GAM of any element contains how many atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms are present in each one GAM of any element. Here we already found that here 3 GAMs are present. Therefore, here 3 GAM equal to 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. We can written as Na, that is Avogadro number atoms. That is 3 Na atoms are present in 42 gram of nitrogen. Okay. The next sub question is the total number of moles. Here we already said that 1 GAM is equal to 1 mole, that is 1 mole atoms. Here how many GAMs are there? 3 GAMs. Therefore, how many moles? 3 moles of atoms. Okay, that is by solving this problem we can find that here 3 GAMs are present in 42 gram of nitrogen. 3 Na atoms are present in 42 grams of nitrogen. Then 3 moles of atoms are present in 42 gram of nitrogen. Okay. Then we can conclude our topic. I think you get the clear ideas about this topic. That is, first one is relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is not an actual mass. It is an expression of atomic mass by comparing with the standard atomic mass of 1 by 12th of carbon 12. Okay. Then by using this atomic mass, we next topic is GAM. GAM means atomic mass is expressed in gram. Then from GAM we again give a idea about the number of atoms. That is, each one GAM of any element contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. This number is discovered by the scientist Avogadro. Therefore, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is known as Avogadro number. It is expressed as Na. N subscript capital A. Then this number is termed, or this number is expressed by a term or a name is 1 mole. That is, 1 mole is a 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is, it is a number like pair, dozen. Okay. That is, dozen means 12, like 1 mole means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This is an important topic because in exam there is different questions related to this topic. Okay, thank you.